Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we are doing the first oil change for the Camaro ZL1 1LE. As you see, I have them on my race ramps that I just got, I think yesterday. And these things are awesome. These are the 10-inch versions, and there's plenty of space when you're going under the car to get this done. There's so much space. I love these things. So, awesome $100 I've spent. Okay, so oil change is super easy on this car. I haven't done anything yet, but let's go under. So as we go under, as you see, here's the oil filter. And on the other side, you'll see this little bolt right here. 15 millimeters. Take that off. Oil's out. Perfect. And that's it. And I heard that this is quite a bit of oil, so you just unplug it and then just let it drain for however long you need to let it drain, because it's going to take a while. It's 10 quarts approximately for this car, which is a lot, but it's a big engine and helps keep things cooler. So this is going to be super easy and fast. Okay, here we go. So just loosen this up. Okay. That was really easy. There we go. After that, we'll let this drain for a while, and then we'll come back and get this oil filter off. So, while it is draining, let's grab a new filter. Level 1, and as you see, I have a ton of oil for this car. This thing's going to take 2 of these 5 quarts. Alright, let's talk about where I jacked up the car. So as you see, I have a couple of hockey pucks, and then I have this that's meant for the pinch welds. And then we'll go under here. Let's see. So basically, and as you see, my side skirts are not damaged or anything. So that's all I did. And then I just jacked it up from there. Pushed the race ramps right under the tire. Really easy. Okay, time for the oil filter. This car is really easy. GTR, you had to worry about so many panels to unbolt and stuff. Well, this is making a mess everywhere. Come on. There we go. Let this spill out. Alright, I'll wait for this to be done, clean this up, and put a new filter on. So I've already pre-lubed the sealer on here. And then, oops, I will point that higher. Just get this hand tight. We'll be ready to dump the oil in. Oh, that should be good. That's it, easy peasy. Alright, so here is the oil cap. Engine oil cap. Huh. How am I going to get you in there? I'm going to have to grab something else. There we go. And now for the second one. Alright, so we gotta reset this. Put on the clutch. So if this thing will focus, let's see, 517. I'll change the oil again. Close this. I'll change the oil again at 1500 along with the trans. So let's reset this sucker. Oh wait, I'm already in the right thing. Oil remaining life, yes. Reset. Yes, reset. Back to 100, just like that. So right now I'm just gonna let the car warm up and take it for a short drive just to get the oil temps up, and come back and check the dipstick and see if it needs more or not. That's it, simple as that. Thanks for watching, guys.